Hey guys, welcome back to FWAP, your go-to channel for all things architecture and design. I know we are back after so long. Last video we did, it was with my mom, and today we have with us Ai. And we talked about architecture and AI and its possibilities. So if you want to see her more in our upcoming videos, let us know in the comments and we'll try to bring her back and make more videos with her. Coming back to today's topic, we are talking about the cutting edge technologies that are revolutionizing in the field of architecture and design. From metaverse to 3D printing and beyond, digitalization is pushing boundaries of what we can design. Of course, we have heard mostly about these tools, but let's see how an architect and a designer can efficiently use them. But before we jump in, let me quickly thank the sponsor of this video, Enviz. Enviz offers an amazing service called Plants 3D, which brings your architectural design to life with stunning 3D visualizations. Plants 3D provides architects, designers, and builders with a powerful tool to create detailed interactive 3D models for their projects. This service enhances presentation, helps in refining designs, and make client approval smoother and faster. Plans 3D comes with flexible hosting options to suit for different needs. The hosting plan starts from as little as $4 a month for a light plan and $17 for a month for design with a plan if you want to collaborate with a client and a colleague. Take your designs on the go with mobile, tablet, and VR headset access. And here's some exciting news. Enviz is offering a 50% discount on Plans 3D for FR viewers. Use the link in the description and at checkout get an additional 10% off. This is a fantastic opportunity to enhance your projects with professional grade 3D models. But there is more to Enviz than just Plans 3D. The platform includes a variety of tools designed to streamline your workflow and bring your ideas to life. Give it a try and let me know in the comments if you want to see a detailed video on each of these tools. Chalo, alright, let's dive into the groundbreaking technologies. First up, Metaverse. I know everybody knows about it, but just like architecture, the learning is endless. The possibilities in Metaverse are endless. It's a virtual world where architects can collaborate in real time, clients can walk through their future homes before a single brick is laid, and urban planners can simulate entire cities. Platforms like Decentraland and Spatial are leading the way in creating immersive digital environments. As a spatial designer in Metaverse, architects can design and sell virtual properties and even host virtual reality meetings with clients and stakeholders from anywhere in the world. If this is very clear to you, let me quickly jump on to the next technology: augmented reality and virtual reality. The world went crazy when Apple launched the Vision Pro. Everyone started talking about it. I saw many reels and videos on YouTube, and everyone was talking about how this technology can help us in our field. AR allows designers to overlay digital information onto the physical environment, providing clients with interactive experiences. Imagine using an AR glasses to visualize the building design superimposed on existing cityscape, allowing stakeholders to see the impact on the surroundings in real time. VR take the immersion to the next level. VR headsets like Oculus enables architects to create virtual environment where clients can walk through their future homes or offices before construction begins. This not only enhances the client's understanding but also gives a chance to get a real-time feedback to make design changes. For instance, you can change the layout of the design or change the material instantly, ensuring that the final design meets the client's expectation. Additionally, AR and VR are being used for educational purposes with architectural firms. Training session can simulate complex construction process or safety protocols in a controlled virtual environment, enhancing learning outcomes and reducing on-site risks. AR and VR is done. Now let's move to 3D printing. 3D printing is an amazing game changer. We have all heard about that small 3D printer where you can 3D print like anything. Now they are 3D printing some massive buildings. A few months ago on our Instagram channel, we made a video about the post office building in India which was completely made using 3D printing technology. The building was completed in 45 days. Could you ever imagine a building completed in such short period? Crazy, right? The link of the video which I'm talking about is in the description. Go check it out and see the construction process. Why 3D printing is amazing? It reduces waste, cuts cost and enables complex organic design that were previously impossible with traditional construction methods. And in place like India, where construction industry is booming and growing, and the given air quality index, 3D printing can be a game changer. Of course, with some additional increased initial cost, but in long run it would be way cheaper than the conventional construction methods. I think next one is everyone's favorite and everyone is using it in their day-to-day life. It's AI, artificial intelligence. As an architect and a content creator, I use AI in my day-to-day use. It had made my workflow very easy from morning to end of the day. I use AI throughout the process of content creation and even for my designs. And all the softwares we use has a dedicated AI tab or at least an AI plugin in it. Autodesk now has its generative design and SpaceMaker. These are enabling architects to generate multiple design options based on a specific parameter. Adobe has its Firefly tool linked with Photoshop, which is a boon for graphic designers or even for 3D visualizers. We have already explored and talked about Midjourney and DALL-E in our previous AI versus AI video. Another tool which is making great noise is Sora, and you must have heard or checked videos on Instagram about it, and the output is crazy. It is now turning images to videos, making it easier to create dynamic presentations and marketing materials. All these tools are speeding up the design process, enabling architects and designers to create design in seconds. And it is making them easier to communicate with clients and stakeholders. Yes sir, just sending you 10 options which are for completely free, and yes, it will take me like 5 seconds to do it. Yes sir, okay. Yes, with such speeds, I think we have to give 10 options to our clients, and they also know about AI now. Beyond all these known technologies, we have few more. We have drones for site surveilling and GIS, providing accurate data and reducing on-site risk. Drones can quickly capture high-resolution images and 3D models of construction sites, improving project monitoring and documentation. Smart materials such as self-healing concrete are making buildings more resilient and energy efficient. Self-healing concrete can repair cracks autonomously, extending the lifespan of the structure and reducing maintenance costs. Wow, it's crazy hot here. But I hope you have understand all things about this technology and how an architect and designers can use all these technologies more efficiently into their day-to-day workflow. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on architecture technologies, architecture buildings and more, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also the link to our social media channels are in the description. You should definitely follow me there, and also hit the notification bell to not miss any new video. Also comment down below which of these technologies excites you the most and you are using in day-to-day life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.